Hello, and today we are installing Wine in Ubuntu, and we are installing it in the official way that is recommended in the Ubuntu website, on the Wine website for Ubuntu. And I have this website pulled up here, so this is website. I will put a link down below so you can check this out. And there are different versions of Ubuntu, so depending on which version you are using, just download it accordingly. And if you are not sure which version you're on, you can just go to the terminal and maybe it's NeoFetch. I think it should have NeoFetch. Okay, so it does not have NeoFetch. Let me just install it real quick. Fetch. Yeah, it shouldn't take too long. Okay, and there we go. So let me do it again. There we go, NeoFetch. And there we go, you can see there is the OS version right here. We are using Ubuntu 22.04.1. So this part is the part that really matters because this is the version that we would be using. And for this, I just copied these commands right here. So we can just copy and paste this. And you can even also make an sh file if you want, just to automate it a bit. I know you can copy everything and then just put it in a terminal, but this just looks better. But anyway, so I have this copied. So what I have to do is, let me just clear this up. I basically just have to copy everything and then just paste it here. And don't worry, I will include this file or link to this website in the description down below. So you guys can just get here and get the commands from there, or you can just download this file and get all the commands in one place. So after you do this, it's basically as simple as just hit enter, and that's basically it. It will do everything for you. So I'll just wait for it to finish, and then uh, I'll talk about how you can download this, or you can use the sh file if you want, and I'll even demonstrate if it's working or not. So see you guys after this is done downloading. Okay, so that's done, and if I do, oh, why the heck does that not work? The last command is a little bit storage. Yep. Yeah, there we go. I'm sorry, I accidentally did not type the HQ, so that's why it got a little bit of issue. But don't worry, if you when you download this file, I will edit everything and correct things that are mistakes. But well, now we have wine. So let me just clear everything here. And if we do wine cfg or wine config, then it will start to figure one. As you can see, it will start want to install mono. So obviously we need that. Okay, so it just need mono. And here you can select the Windows version, so whichever version you need for a specific application. So if you want Windows 10, you can do that. Just hit apply and it will add Windows 10. Then we have drives. So these are the drives that is currently connected to machine. So this is obviously your main drive, and this is your root directory, for your for your system. And then we have audio. So it's basically system audio, and you can change it if you have another installed. And again, so this is desktop theme, the way how it looks, and that's basically it. And you can obviously install libraries and stuff. So I won't go too into how wine works, but it's just demonstration on how it works. And if you want to install something, let's just do notepad plus plus for simplicity's sake. Notepad plus plus. And I also did this in my Linux video, so in the Kali Linux one. And I think you can also install it that way, the Kali Linux way in Ubuntu. But if you are trying to install this way, then this is basically how to do it. And after it is downloaded, we can get into download. And if we do ls, as you can see, there is our notepad plus plus. So we just have to do wine dot slash npb tab, and then if I hit tab, it will auto complete it. So then run this, and as you can see, it will immediately start to run this. And there we go. Agree. Nice. Install. So now we can actually run this as a normal text editor. So if you go here, then you can see it will install like a normal Linux system, but it will run off of Wine. So if I close this, if I close everything, if I just get out here and then click this, then you can see it will run it from there. And so that's basically how you install Wine in Ubuntu. So if you like the video and if you found this helpful, then leave a like and subscribe so we can hit 100 subs before the end of the year.